as we journey through the wonders of marine water and aquatic plants, we are reminded of their vital role in sustaining life beneath the waves and beyond. These ecosystems not only support diverse marine species but also help regulate our planet's climate and provide resources essential for human life. But these delicate habitats are facing unprecedented challenges. It's up to each of us to protect them, ensuring that future generations can continue to witness their beauty and benefit from their services.
Together, we can make difference. Let's preserve our oceans, protect our aquatic plants, and sustain the balance of life.
Beneath the waves, a world unfolds, teeming with life, colors, and secrets yet to be discovered.
This is the marine ecosystem, a vast and intricate network of plants, animals, and microorganisms, all interconnected with delicate dance of survival.
From the sunlit shallow to the crushing deeps of the abyss, life finds a way, adapting and thriving in this extraordinary environment.
Join us as we explore this hidden realm and uncover the wonders that lie beneath the surface. The marine ecosystem encompasses all the oceans and seas of our planet, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface.
It's a vital part of our global environment, providing essential resources and regulating climate patterns. This complex system is home to an incredible diversity of life. From microscopic plankton to the largest animal on Earth, blue whales will be looking at the key components of this ecosystem, including the interactions between different species, the role of the physical environment, and the challenges facing these vital habitats.
Hey there, ocean explorers! Get ready for an amazing adventures into the underwater world. The marine ecosystem is like a giant underwater city, full of amazing creatures and exciting discoveries. You'll meet playful dolphins, colorful fish, and even grumpy crabs. So let's dive in and find out what makes this underwater world so special.
The ocean, a seemingly endless expanse of blue, is under threat. The marine ecosystem, the lifeblood of our planet, is facing unprecedented challenges. Pollination, overfishing, and climate change are pushing this delicate balance to the brink. But there is still hope. By understanding the complexities of this vital ecosystem, we can work together to protect it for future generations. This is our journey to discover the beauty and fragility of the marine world and the urgent need to safeguard its future.
Oh, hi! Did you all know aquatic plants are found in all types of water, whether seawater or freshwater? For addition, you can also find them on oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds, and a lot of more. So, as you know, there are a lot of types of aquatic plants, such as algae. They are the most common type of aquatic plants. You can find them in oceans as they have no roots, leaves, or stems. They are really small and very important part of the ocean food chain. For example is muskras. Next, floating plants. These plants are not fixed to the bottom of the water. However, they do have a root to absorb the water. You can find them whether seawater or freshwater. Their leaves are firm and remain flat to absorb more sunlight. For example is water lily. As you can all see them, is yung roots nila is nasa baba, the one who are absorbing the water, and their leaves are the one who are capturing sunlight or the process of photosynthesis. Last but not the least, this type of aquatic plants are rooted in the water floor. Most of vegetation of this plant is found underwater. They have a thin and narrow leaves. For instance, hydrillas and bog moss are submerged plants.
As you all know, aquatic plants have several characteristics that help them to survive in water, such as roots, leaves, stems, stomata, cuticles. So, sa roots, aquatic plants have a small, light, and feathery roots that are specialized for taking in oxygen. The roots are also designed to allow water to spread directly into the leaves. So next is leaves. The leaves of aquatic plants are flat and have air sacs to help them float. Submerged plants naman have a long, thin, and strong leaves to resist water currents. Next is stems. Aquatic plants have a thin, flexible stems that bend with water pressure and movement. Next is stomata. Stomata, aquatic plants keep their stomata open because they don't need to retrain on water or hindi nila kailangan umasa sa water. Last but not the least is cuticles. Most of aquatic plants don't have cuticles or have thin cuticles to avoid water loss.
So we will now proceed to the roles of aquatic plants in supporting marine ecosystems such as providing oxygen, habitats, food sources, and what they contribute to biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Through photosynthesis, aquatic plants produce energy which is essential for marine life like fish and invertebrates to breathe and to survive. They also provide habitat. The plants like sea grasses, scalp, and algae, they create important habitats for various marine species. They provide shelter, food, breeding grounds for fish, crustaceans, and other organisms. As primary producers, aquatic plants form the base of food chain. Herbivores feed on them, and in turn, they support higher predators, helping grow through ecosystem. So how aquatic plants support biodiversity? Aquatic plants boost biodiversity by hosting a wide range of species. Ecosystems like kelp forests and seagrasses meadows are some of the most biodiverse habitats on Earth. Aquatic plants help stabilize the coastal areas, preventing erosion, filtering water, and reducing pollution.
Our oceans are incredible vast, teeming with life, and essential for our planet. But sadly, human activities are putting a lot of pressures on them. It's time we face these challenges head on. One major problem is pollution. Plastic waste is a huge threat. It ends up in the ocean, harming marine animals, and even entering our food chains. It's like a giant plastic soup. Overfishing is another big issue. We're taking more fish out of the ocean than they can replenish. This can lead to decline of entire species, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystem. It's like taking too many species out of the puzzle. Oil spills and offshore drilling can cause massive damage. They pollute the water, harm marine life, and disrupt entire ecosystem. It's like spilling paint on a masterpiece. Then there's climate change. Global warming is causing sea levels to rise, ocean temperatures to increase, and coral reefs to bleach. It's like a fever that's making the ocean sick. But it's not all doom and gloom. there's still hope. We can make different by reducing plastic waste, choosing sustainable seafood, supporting oceans conservation organization, and demanding action from our leaders. We can help protect our previous oceans. Remember, the ocean is lifeblood. Let's work together to keep it healthy and thriving for generations to come.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the depths of our marine world. Let's keep our ocean alive. One drop, one plant, one action at a time.